What's up? This is 𝐷𝐴rinua. Welcome. All right. A lot of crypto enthusiasts love to buy crypto and hold for a long time, let's say a year or more, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. All right. And we know that with the evolution of Bitcoin, a lot of person bought Bitcoin and held for that long time. And then when Bitcoin actually blew up, they went and checked their wallet withdraw and stuff like that. But if you're actually doing that now with these altcoins, you might lose everything. You might lose your investment. In fact, you might lose everything. Now, this is what I discovered yesterday. I have some test wallet. All right, I have some test wallet, and where I buy some coins and then try them on before I make recommendation to you guys. All right, so this AquaGoat was one of those coins that I bought, and then suddenly yesterday I saw AquaGoat pumping up, like pumping so hard, like it was up to about 18,000% up. All right, so the coin literally went all the way up. Then I tried converting, I tried withdrawing, but it was showing very no value. It was just showing no value. In fact, less than $1 when I attempted withdrawing. And then I was wondering, what I'm looking at here is over $100. I was looking, what I'm seeing here is over $100, but I tried to convert it. Is showing less than $1. All right, which was not useful. All right, and then I decided to go to their channel, go to their website, and then go to Telegram channel, and then I discovered that these people upgraded to a V2. A V2. They say a V2 upgrade that is from V1 to V2, and they gave a deadline. So I figured out that these people upgraded, and they gave a deadline for everyone to send uh, their V1. That's the AquaGoat that you bought that was V1 to their contract address or something, and then it will an airdrop of their equivalent amount to be will be dropped on the V2 wallet. All right, and then I saw that the deadline was like 3 days ago, 18th of September. That's 3 days ago, 18th. Yeah, today's date. So the deadline was already passed, and despite that, the fact that okay, the deadline is passed and so many persons have missed it, a lot of persons that actually they sent it, they have let's say about 100 and something trillion worth of their token of the AquaGoat token to the contract address. They got back like about 1 million copies, which was not close to the value of what they sent. And there was a lot of complaints. And this is a warning to you if you are buying altcoins. I recently noticed that, okay, another coin that did the same upgrade, altcoin that did that same kind of upgrade is Podu. Podu moved from ERC then to BSC. So if you were not following Podu on Twitter or following up with them on their website, and then when they made the movement, the airdrop that they did, they asked you to send them the old Podu, and then they'll send you a new Podu on BSC BEP20 address. So all those I can send me like say a Podu of about how many word about more than about $500 or so. That is totally useless. All right, it's totally useless, and I feel all these things is becoming invalid for me. It's not becoming a valid idea. All right, is most times it's good if you buy coins that are already listed on an exchange like Binance that are already in a stable form. I think it's better off, because some of these altcoins now are just you know they are just, or if you are buying altcoin which is like a coin that is really not listed on an exchange like Binance, you should be following them up. All right, don't just buy and keep and say okay, I've bought an investment and kept. All right, because when they make their changes, oh my god, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked what could just happen to your funds. You might lose everything. So that's what I have to tell you. Let's just check the video right now and see it. All right, this is the AquaGoat I had on my wallet. Like you can see it right there, it's about $26. All right, this thing here, as at yesterday when I made this video, I couldn't cover it up right yesterday. But as at yesterday when I was making this video, this was as high as about $140. All right, $140. It was such a big pump. All right, it was such a big pump. So I tried converting it, like going to your normal pancake swap. Okay, pancake swap where we do the normal conversion of coins, and this thing here was showing less than, okay, look at it, AquaGoat. It was showing less than, let me change it, and here let me use USDT so that you guys can see. When I hit max, it was showing less than $1. Okay, even look at it now. As you can see on the platform on my wallet is showing $26, but you can see here when I try converting, even max everything is showing $0.6, less than $1. And then I was wondering what is really going on. Look at it, $26 here, but when you try converting, it's showing less than $1. And then I had to go through coin market cap. And guys, you know, the funny thing is, even if you try to buy, you copy the contra ID, like when you go to coin market cap and then you go to explorer and copy the AquaGoat contra ID. Do you know the funny thing, this contra ID will still give you the same value, the same coin, that the same AquaGoat V1 that I have right now. So it makes me wonder or skeptical that if these people really wanted to make any changes, why would they not make changes everywhere? Because as long as I'm concerned, a lot of persons are still buying this old AquaGoat V1, all right, that is now valueless. Now let's just check it now. Let's just check the recent transaction on this. Now you will see that a whole lot of persons are still buying this. All right, transaction 2 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, a lot of persons are still buying this old AquaGoat, and it's totally valueless. So I checked here. I didn't see any message on CoinMarketCap showing that okay, there's a problem or something. And then I went through to their Telegram group chat. All right, the Telegram group chat. All right, that's the first link right here. Went there. Then I discovered that a whole lot of persons are going through the same shit that I'm going through, that I checked. All right, so if anybody had put all their investment in this, they probably would have lost everything. All right. Someone say, look at someone, look. Okay, I just need you to be reading through the charts with me. Okay, just be reading through the chart. Okay, I lost 200 USD. AquaGoat, it's paying me as damage. Okay, when is the next time for old holders, please? All right, people are really frustrated here. All right, so let's just scroll down. There are a whole lot of messages here. So you can see here, someone say, I'm a long-time holder of this since day one, and now I didn't get on time in the migration. I hope we can still migrate, but sadly this person can't migrate again. All right, how can I migrate to AquaGoat V2, please? All right, sadly this person can't migrate again. Okay, what they did is totally wrong. How do one trust this project, or how will they get new investors to put significant amount of money? All right, so if you go through the chat group, you see a lot of, in fact, you see there's about 2,000 messages right here, 2,000 plus messages. There's no possible way to read all of them, but you can just go through right now. If you're a holder of AquaGoat and then you are looking at this right now, please go ahead to just go through the chat group and then check it out. All right, and then I decided to go through to their website to see what was actually going on, and then I saw the messages there. All right, I saw the messages there. All right, if this goes to, so many persons bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin started out, and when they bought Bitcoin, most of them left it till after 5 years. So if this was most of them did not really check up or till when the Bitcoin blew up. All right, so if this was the same scenario, all right, if this was the same scenario, most people would have lost their entire investment on this. All right, so I checked on their website, and then I saw a message depicting that, and it wasn't really funny. I think it's been removed right now. That message has been removed. It's no longer showing up. All right, it was right in front here, uh, informing users about them moving from V1 to V2. All right, so why this video has taken about 2 days for me to make this video, because I've been trying to do some other edit. All right, as it is today, this message wasn't here. Now there's a new message right here now that is offering an opportunity to those that miss transferring their token from V1 to V2. All right, and this here they are saying that, okay, you should fill out the Google form and they'll get back to you within 2 to 3 weeks, and then see how they can rectify your issue. But this message still goes out to you guys that buy altcoins, and if you have AquaGoat V1 AquaGoat, I believe you should rush to their website now and fill out this form now. Upgraded to. Alright. If you have altcoins, do well to be checking up on them, checking up on their information website, follow their Twitter page, follow their is a Telegram group, so that you can be getting information. Website most especially, follow their website. All right, where they make their official announcement. Telegram can be really lousy sometimes, sending a lot of messages. So I suggest you follow up their Instagram and websites so that you can be getting information as soon as possible. So I believe you all got my advice. All right, just do that so that you won't lose out in your investments. All right. So if you like this video, please just like it and then subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more of the videos like this. All right. Thank you for watching.